panoramic world is the thought projection of cosmic entity, and all are the progeny of Supreme Father. Human beings long for all-round development in every sphere of life for happiness. This path of development may be physical, psychic, and spiritual. Since the physical world is limited, hence it cannot quench the thirst of our unlimited happiness. So is the case with the mental world, which needs mental development. Here comes the role of new humanism. The humanism newly explained and sermonized by Shri Shri Anandamurti. New ethics, moral values, and good conduct are part and parcel of new humanism. New humanism is the seed which sprouts into a tree, which gives fruits in the form of peace, happiness, love, wisdom, compassion, fearlessness, so on and so forth. Baba Shri Shri Anandamurti ji has given us the seed of new humanism to be planted and nourished with our labor and dedication, spirit of service and love. To yield fruits at the right time. According to Shri Shri Anandamurti ji, one has to follow the path of, one has to follow the path subjectively, the subjective path. through, or we can say one has to move subjectively with objective adjustment. We cannot ignore this material world. Hence, we should strive for scientific innovations to make our life comfortable. We need to build a society where everyone gets ample opportunity to develop oneself in all the strata of existence, physical, mental, and spiritual. In this journey, morality will be the base, sadhana, the means, and life divine, the goal. Morality means practice of moral principles, yama and yama, in everyday life. We need to follow Bhagavad Dharma, which has four pillars: Vistar, expansion; Ras, flow; Seva, selfless service; and Tad Sthiti, self realization. Spirituality is not a utopian idea, it is pragmatic, which can be practiced in our day to day life with sincerity. Spirituality is internal journey devoid of all types of narrow sentiments, geo sentiment, socio sentiment, and religious sentiment. For a humanist, there is only one ism, and that is universalism. That everyone in this world is an expression of supreme entity. New humanism facilitates our journey from crude to subtle. And in this blissful journey, every one of us has equal birthright. We have to develop a social order wherein the basic necessities, food, shelter, clothes, medicines, and education are guaranteed for everyone. When our love, when human love transcends all the boundaries of humanism to include all animate and inanimate objects, we land in the world of new human. We have to take care of the plant and animal kingdoms. New humanity will make us realize that we thoughtful and intellectual humans have to take the responsibility of preserving the eco-friendly environment, saving the endangered species of flora and fauna from extinction, and protecting our rivers, mountains, oceans, and our earth from destruction. Baba says you have to accept the responsibility, greater responsibility of taking care of the universe with the spirit. What? विश्व जमेर पाएर तले धूली मैज भूमि সেই তো স্বর্গ ভূমি সবাই নিয়ে সবার মাঝে লুকিয়ে আছো তুমি সেই তো আমার তুমি so we have to plan in such a way that our development becomes sustainable in nature. New humanism is the elixir of sustainable development of humanity in all the strata of existence, physical, mental, and spiritual. The endeavor to merge the unit mind with the cosmic mind is the true yoga. Yoga is for all round development and hence should be practiced with utmost sincerity. Baba said, this is your moral responsibility to bring the society to the path of spirituality, so that a feeling of love for all can be generated in each one of us. तो अस्थायी विकास के लिए मानवतावाद और मानवतावादी होना आवश्यक है। जब तक मानवतावादी नहीं होंगे तो अस्थायी विकास संभव नहीं है। इसलिए हम लोगों को नव्य मानवतावादी होना ही होगा, तभी सभी क्षेत्रों में भौतिक, आदि भौतिक और आध्यात्मिक, इन सभी क्षेत्रों में एक अस्थायी विकास संभव है। बाबा कहते हैं कि हमारा नैतिक दायित्व है लोगों को अध्यात्म के रास्ते पर परिचालित करना। अध्यात्म के द्वारा ही लव, प्रेम और सबके लिए, पेड़ पौधे, जीव जंतु, मनुष्य, सबके लिए यह प्रेम तभी संभव है। इसलिए मानवतावाद हमारे जीवन में बहुत महत्व है। यही है आज की आयुष।